The main challenge that I've faced as a woman during my career as a teacher and tutor has been just balancing the role between family and the job responsibility. Teaching requires lots of responsibility, as well as the classroom teaching. It also includes the marking, feedback to learners, also dealing with any issues that may arise. The way that I found to deal with this issue is to have my set hours at work, ensuring that I've got a schedule, ensuring that I sort of prioritise anything that's majorly important, and just planning everything day by day, but just trying to work within the hours, the usual work hours, and after that ensuring that I have set time for myself and my family.